Hello, welcome back to the channel with another episode. In this video, we'll learn how a classic SQL injection vulnerability works by analyzing the SQL injection login form challenge in bWAPP. By the end of this video, you will understand how the login query is constructed and why SQL injection happens, and how the payload works, and or how attackers bypass authentication. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then we can head over to Canonics VM. The challenge itself is very simple, but I'd like to explain knowledge and skills as much as possible. And we can log in with credentials, bug, and login. So the bug, what we are going to handle is, yes, this one, hack. So enter your superhero credentials. This is a very normal login form, and we can try to use admin as username and admin as a password. Login. But we got error, invalid credentials. You know, if you have already followed my channel, you know that what we are going to the next. We can try to use bypass technique, okay? Login bypass technique. So admin, all, and so anything. Login, successful, welcome new. How are you today? Your secret, blah, blah, blah. So very easy, right? And sometimes we need to put the payload into password field, okay? But we cannot stop here. We need to analyze what's going on at the background, in the background. So now let's go over to bBox virtual machine and to check the source code of this application. And this is the core snippets or core source code of this application. Here is checking if the form has a data or not. If not, if yes, and then we'll go on execution. Okay, so login will get this from the post array, and then SQI, post. So then, this is the major line of the code, okay? Because it creates a SQL query, by concatenating the username and password, okay? So, the query would be like, maybe I like to go back to my Canonics and use this notebook, okay? The query would be like a select, for example, from and the table name, right? Table name, such as users or something else, and where the login, and for example admin and password, blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is the possible query statement, and this means the database will search for a record or entry in the table where both the username and password match. So, at first glance, this looks very normal. However, user input is inserted directly. This is user input, admin and the password. I mean the username field and password field. And the user input is inserted directly into the SQL query. And this can lead to SQL injection, and finally, we can bypass login authentication. Okay? And normally we can, use this payload to bypass. I use this such a payload very often. If you have already followed my channel, you know this very well, right? So this single quote will try to close the single quote. Okay, we'll close this single quote, and then we can use or, and this is my circle, a logical operator, and one is equal to 1. Here, whatever the username and the result of such evaluation, whatever, right? Whatever evaluation result, the second part will be always true. Okay, we'll evaluate the entire condition as true. Okay, but also we need to put the comment, and different database will use different symbol for commenting, or use different way to comment, and this is one way. Also, we can use like pound or hashtag. Here I'd like to emphasize one thing. Here, this the double dashes, but in the end we need to put the space in the end, otherwise sometimes we will get an error. Okay, so because, for example, we can put the or and this. Okay, sorry. Although would be the single quote, and this single quote is on the server side, but it doesn't matter because here we have the double dash or comment symbol. So everything after this comment symbol will be ignored, and the entire condition will become true. Okay, because of this logic operator. All right. So I think with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.